How to use InVideo Text to video. Go from zero to hero. Are you looking for a quick and easy way to transform text into engaging videos? Do you want to quickly create videos without needing any editing or designing experience? If so, then this video is for you. Discover the ultimate solutions to quickly go from zero to hero with InVideo's text to video feature. Learn how to create stunning videos in minutes with just a few clicks and no prior experience. So let's get into it. Once you get to your InVideo dashboard, you will get right here. So you will get the option to choose from template, text to video, stock media, and editor. We will be selecting text to video, videos out of long form text. It will take you to convert your scripts into engaging videos, and you will get different templates. From here, you will select any kind you want to create. You can see we have very cool looking templates available on InVideo. So let's go with this one right here. You can choose your template from here and select your layout. I will be going with landscape. Click on Use Template. And all you need to do is just paste your script right here, or you can actually write your script here. Keep in mind, you can also add a URL at the bottom. So this is my script right here, 5 proven strategies for marketing your business online. At the bottom here, auto suggest images and videos, and we can go for the free images and videos for the video that we will be creating. If you have premium, then you can select this option from here. And again, you can add a URL. Now, once the script is added, we will just click on Create Scenes. It will just take a minute for InVideo to generate a video for you. And there you go, our video has been generated. You can see each sentence has been divided into different scenes, and because my topic was 5 proven strategies, and then I divided my, I created these 5 sentences, these sections, and now I have like 6 scenes. The first one is the title, and then you can see it divided my text into scenes. So with each scene, it has a serial number. You can see the first one is like the one here, and then I can scroll down a little bit to check out the others. You can see this is the second one, and then we have the third, fourth, and fifth scene. So let me show you how we can edit it out now. First, we have a media layer. So this is the media layer in the background that we have, and I can actually add another background here. We can drag and drop a media. So this is our main text, and we can actually customize it completely. You can see at the top we have edit scene, duplicate scene, or delete the scene. We can also upload a logo if we want to. At the bottom here, it will show you the duration of your scene, and then you can see we can increase the duration of the scenes. So you can see minutes, seconds, and frames. So this is the minute. We have 5-second scene here, and now it will show me, you can see it's a 5-second scene, but if I want to increase the time, I can do that. For instance, I can make it for 6 seconds, 10 seconds, as I like. So this is our text here. Let's say I want to actually make it a little bit bigger. So we can do this very easily. We just need to move the text. So the background actually looks good. What I can do is maybe I can customize it. I can even crop the background. So you select it and you can make it bigger or smaller, and then you can play your text. So you can see this is what it looks like, our first scene. So you can see a music has been added, a media has been added by itself, and it literally took me like 1 minute to generate this video. And we have all of the scenes like this. We have the second scene. If you're not happy with the background, what you can do is you can remove the background from here, and you can adjust the color. We also have a fit type option. We have crop option available. We have effects available and animation too. This text right here at the bottom, this is like in a caption form. If you want to place it somewhere, you can do that. And again, we have animations. You can animate your text too. You can change the alignment of the text. Once you select the text, you can see we can change the font. So if you're not happy with the font that was generated by InVideo, you can change it completely. So we can customize the text very easily. We can even change our text color. And most of the time, actually, the yellow text is trending nowadays. So what I like to do is I kind of like go with the yellow text, because this gives it a very professional view, and I kind of like the yellow text in videos. So what we can do is we can just select it and we can change the color. And you can see this is what it looks like. It actually looks better. So I will change my text color to maybe yellow. So you can see this is how we can work with InVideo. And at the bottom here, you can edit the soundtrack. So click on this background music and it will show you the music that has been selected. You can change the volume. If you feel like it's too high, then you can decrease the volume a little bit so that it's just in the background. Then we can also add effects such as fade in, fade out. We can add a pan control as well. Then we have a voiceover option available too. So you can click on the voiceover and it will allow you to add a voiceover to your video. Here you can upload media from your computer and you will be able to edit the voiceover as well. So we can create a complete video with InVideo with just a text. If you have any blog or article that you want to change into a video and you've been struggling with that, then InVideo is the platform for you. It will allow you to create a high quality professional video in minutes. And the best thing is it's highly customizable, gives you a lot of different options to customize the video yourself, so you are satisfied and you have the best results. Once you're done with the video, you can get a preview and you can play it. Once your video is ready, you can actually export it. And if you want to change anything, of course you can do it. You can just edit the scene. We can even change the videos. You can go to the video section here and replace the videos. So this way you will just customize your video completely. Once it's done, you will get the download option at the top. Click on download. And now you can select if you want to download 720 or 180. So the 180 is of course going to be the best quality. Or you can go with 720 and click on export. And your video will be downloaded from InVideo. If you want to create videos like this in seconds, the link will be given in the description down below. You can actually click on the link and get started for free. If you have any questions related to InVideo, let us know in the comments down below. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you want to watch the full tutorial on InVideo, check out the other video on our channel, InVideo tutorial how to use InVideo.